Hello people, and welcome to my Wiremod tutorial. This is Xanthoquire, the old cyberpunk assassin, and that truly is the last time I'm going to say it. Today, I'm going to teach you about wire holography using the emitter. This is going to be in two parts because this is officially the fourth time I've done this and hated it because I've had to rush and not explain what I've wanted to explain to you guys. And it just doesn't seem right. So I'm going to this in two parts, nice and slow, so I can let you guys learn as much as you need to learn about the emitter, because it really is a fascinating tool. That's a word I don't use very often. These stupid things, I hate them. Does anyone turn those off? Could not find it the other day. Where is that? There it is. Oh, that it? Show hints? I don't know. Hopefully that was it. Okay. So, yeah, this is Wiremod emitters, so, I'm just gonna close these tabs. And, scratch my arm. Okay. So, obviously, we need an emitter. You can have show beam on or off, up to you, the size, whatever you want. And that's crooked. That's crooked. Okay. So we are going to need two buttons. We're going to need a button clear, and we are going to need a button start. I'm going to use a button muffin, as if you probably didn't already know that. If I can find it. If anyone from Wiremod is listening, I don't think it was necessary to auto those new buttons, but whatever. Okay, so now I'm going to be getting into the trig, and I'm guessing I didn't start my timer to figure out how long I've gone. Nope. Wonderful. Okay, so let's see what time. Alright, about 3 minutes in. So we are going to need to use trigonometry. Actually, let's start with time. We are going to need a timer, and we are going to now go to, well, yeah, let's go and do trig real quick. If you have done trigonometry before, you will know that you need, that sine makes like this S, and if you use COS cos, it makes it a circle, but since most of you guys are like 10, 11, and 12, you probably aren't in high school and probably aren't in a higher math class where you've learned trigonometry. But I can't go through the process of explaining trigonometry at the moment. So take my word for it. It's actually pretty easy. Make sure you're using RAD, radians, not degrees. And just add sine. Okay, cos. And make one more sine, but put it like somewhere you don't need it. Like way over here. We'll get to that later. And we are going to need arithmetic multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You need 5 multiplies. 2 above timer, like 1 multiply above timer and 1 below. Just make sure you have 2 multiplies for the timer. 1 multiply for sine, 1 multiply for cos, and 1 multiply for the other sine. Okay. And we're going to need a constant value chip. And you're going to have 4 values. The first value being 5, the second value being 50, the third value being 1, and the fourth value being 10. And just place that like at the top or something like that. It's completely up to you. So let's see here. Anything else I need? I think that's it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start wiring this up. We're going to wire all the A values of the multiply to the timer right there. Those two go to the timer. the A value of this multiply goes to sign, the A value of this multiply goes to cost, and the A value of this last multiply goes to sign. The only reason I put this way over here is because I'm trying to make a point, and you'll see that point momentarily. Okay. Make sure you don't use this one on top yet, this multiply. Use the one on bottom first, and put that value to 5. So we have one of these multiplies with the value of 5 and timer. And let's go ahead and wire up our timer to your start and the reset to your clear. Okay. And the sign multiply is going to be at the value of 50. If you don't know how to change those, you just right click. Okay, and we are going to take the A value of sign and put it to the timer. Take the A value of cost and put it to the timer. Okay, and let's see, make sure we got everything done. Oopsies. That one. Got run, reset, run. Okay, we won't have a B value for that yet, but we'll get to that one. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and end part 1 of this tutorial right here, and we will pick it up in part 2, which will be posted on YouTube at the same time. So just click on my little profile and click on Emitter part 2. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2.